Everybody make some noise, y'all. That's right. It is so hot out here. These kids are working hard. Everybody, make sure you guys show them some love. We got Floats, Mad Max, FX, River Flow, Flow Skills, and we got J Jack. That's right. Representing the Long Beach crew, we got Thunder Cookies. Woo! Triple windmill. That's right, y'all. You won't see that nowhere else but here in WeBreak. That's right. These kids been working all session long to put on a great show for you guys. Make sure you guys show the appreciation and the hard work. Woo! That was fresh. That was tight. I like that. Okay, we got FX. We got flow skills coming out. Yo, this kid got mad skills. Woo! With that beat kill. Damn. Oh, he's coming out with the moonwalk, my boy. Let's go. That's right. Rest in peace, Michael Jackson. We got Mad Max. Bam. Woo! That was clean. We got FX. That's right. WeBreak royalty. Hey. And we got Floats. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Yo, this kid is so fresh. With the bucket hat, and we got River Flow. Yo, my man is so strong, he can lift the whole team. Let's go. Bam. This is the only kid that I know that can do calisthenics better than adults. Let's go. Woo! Fresh. Bang. Bam. Woo! Oh my God. Oh, it's all sunshine over here. Let's go. Bang. Make some noise, yo!